Welcome to Civic Education for JSS 3. Today we study how education contributes to national unity in Nigeria. What is national unity? National unity means a state in which the citizens of a country share a common sense of national identity, purpose, and belonging, despite differences in ethnicity, religion, language, and culture. In a country as diverse as Nigeria, 250+ ethnic groups, 2 major religions, hundreds of languages, achieving national unity is both essential and challenging. What is education? Education is the process of teaching and learning, passing on knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes from one generation to the next. Education happens in schools, universities, homes, religious institutions, and through media. How education promotes national unity. 1. Common language. Education in Nigeria uses English as the medium of instruction in most schools. English is a lingua franca, a common language that allows Nigerians from different ethnic groups to communicate with one another. Schools also teach the 3 major Nigerian languages, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, as subjects, helping students appreciate other cultures. 2. Shared knowledge and values. The national curriculum, set by the Nigerian Educational Research and Development Council (NERDC), ensures that students all across Nigeria study the same core subjects, like civic education, social studies, English, and mathematics. This creates shared knowledge and a common understanding of Nigeria, its history, government, geography, and values. 3. Civic education. Civic education teaches students the Nigerian Constitution, their rights and responsibilities as citizens, democratic values, tolerance, respect, participation, the importance of national unity and the dangers of ethnic and religious division. 4. Intergroup contact. Schools, especially federal government colleges, federal government schools/unity schools, bring together students from all parts of Nigeria. Students from different ethnic groups and religions live and learn together, building friendships and mutual understanding across ethnic and religious lines. 5. National values and patriotism. Education instills values such as integrity, respect for others, patriotism, love of country, tolerance of difference, rule of law, democratic participation. 6. Reducing ignorance and stereotypes. Education exposes students to different cultures, histories, and ways of life, reducing the ignorance and stereotypes that fuel ethnic and religious tensions. 7. Equal opportunity. When education is accessible to all Nigerians, regardless of gender, ethnicity, religion, or state, it gives everyone a fair chance to participate in the economy and governance. This sense of fairness reduces resentment and social division. Government policies to use education for unity. Federal government colleges, unity schools, a network of boarding schools established by the federal government to bring students from all states of Nigeria together in one school. Each school has a quota for students from all states. National policy on education states the aims of education in Nigeria, including national consciousness, national unity, and building a free and democratic society. National Youth Service Corps, NYSC graduates are deployed to states other than their home state for 1 year of national service, promoting intergroup understanding and national unity. Universal Basic Education, UB, free and compulsory education for all Nigerian children for 9 years, aiming to ensure no child is left behind. Challenges to using education for national unity in Nigeria. 1. Unequal access to education. The Northwest and Northeast have far lower school enrollment and literacy rates than the South, creating a divided, unequal society. 2. Poor quality education. Low-quality schools undermine the values education is supposed to build. 3. Boko Haram. The insurgency in the Northeast has destroyed schools and prevented millions of children from getting an education, especially girls. 4. Religious schools. Some Islamic schools, or Mayuri schools, in the North do not teach the same national curriculum, limiting their contribution to national unity. 5. Ethnic language schools. Some private and community schools emphasize ethnic rather than national identity. Remember, National unity equals state in which citizens of a country share common sense of national identity plus purpose plus belonging despite differences in ethnicity plus religion plus language plus culture. Nigeria has 250 plus ethnic groups plus 2 major religions plus hundreds of languages equals achieving national unity is essential plus challenging. Education equals process of teaching plus learning equals passing on knowledge plus skills plus values plus attitudes from one generation to the next, happens in schools plus universities plus homes plus religious institutions plus through media. How education promotes national unity. Common language education in Nigeria uses English as medium of instruction in most schools. English equals lingua franca equals common language allowing Nigerians from different ethnic groups to communicate. Schools also teach 3 major Nigerian languages equals Hausa plus Yoruba plus Igbo as subjects. Plus shared knowledge plus values. National curriculum set by NERDC/Nigerian Educational Research and Development Council. Students all across Nigeria study same core subjects equals civic education plus social studies plus English plus mathematics. Creates shared knowledge plus common understanding of Nigeria equals its history plus government plus geography plus values. Plus civic education teaches Nigerian constitution plus rights plus responsibilities as citizens plus democratic values equals tolerance plus respect plus participation plus importance of national unity plus dangers of ethnic plus religious division. Plus intergroup contact or federal government colleges/unity schools bring together students from all parts of Nigeria. Students from different ethnic groups plus religions live plus learn together, building friendships plus mutual understanding across ethnic plus religious lines. Plus national values plus patriotism. Education instills integrity plus respect for others plus patriotism equals love of country plus tolerance of difference plus rule of law plus democratic participation. Plus reducing ignorance plus stereotypes. Education exposes students to different cultures plus histories plus ways of life, reducing ignorance plus stereotypes that fuel ethnic plus religious tensions. Plus equal opportunity. When education is accessible to all Nigerians regardless of gender plus ethnicity plus religion plus state, everyone has fair chance to participate in economy plus governance. Sense of fairness reduces resentment plus social division. Government policies. Federal government colleges/unity schools, network of boarding schools established by federal government, bring students from all states together. Each school has quota for students from all states. Plus national policy on education, states' aims of education in Nigeria, national consciousness plus national unity plus building free and democratic society. Plus National Youth Service Corps/NYSC, graduates deployed to states other than their home state for 1 year of national service, promotes intergroup understanding plus national unity. Plus Universal Basic Education/UB, free plus compulsory education for all Nigerian children for 9 years, aiming to ensure no child is left behind. Challenges: unequal access to education. Northwest plus Northeast have far lower school enrollment plus literacy rates than South, creating divided plus unequal society. Plus poor quality education, low quality schools undermine values education is supposed to build. Plus Boko Haram, insurgency in Northeast has destroyed schools plus prevented millions of children from getting education, especially girls. Plus religious schools, some Islamic schools equals Omairi schools in North do not teach same national curriculum, limiting contribution to national unity. Plus ethnic language schools, some private plus community schools emphasize ethnic rather than national identity. Thank you for studying civic education with us today.